Hello everybody, welcome back to the Crown Lounge. So what I'm going to do today is it's a 4th of July layered cocktail that you can serve your guests to wow them. Like fireworks, all right. First we're going to start off with 1 ounce of grenadine. Next, we want to fill the glass with ice. Next, we want to do our layer of our blue. Because I've tried it the other way around with the red, white, and blue. And the blue don't like to mix like that. So what we're going to do is go just 1 ounce of a blue Curacao on top of the ice, and bend the spoon to help slow your mixture down. Get a smaller spoon or whatever, but it's just to help slow your mixture down when you're pouring it so it will layer. For the next layer, the white, we're going to go 1 ounce of lemonade, into our shaker, and 1 ounce of vodka. Going to give this a good shake. And I think layering it this way will taste better because you get the lemonade and the vodka first, and you end it with a little sweetness of the grenadine. Pour it slowly. Probably should use the back of the spoon. Oh yeah, there you have it, a layered Independence Day, 4th of July cocktail that you will wow your guests with. Again, the original one is layered red, white, and blue, but after 3, maybe 4 failed attempts at going red, white, and blue, no matter what, the blue wanted to sink to the red. It gets to the red and stops to the grenadine. I'm sure there's like some math or some science to all of that, but we're not doing science today. We're just drinking. Anywho, don't forget to like, follow, and share, and have a safe 4th of July. Keep all fingers, and stay at the emergency rooms. Cheers. Like I said, it's better with the vodka on top, actually, and the lemonade, because that's a good flavor, right? But I'm sure when you mix this, it's probably a really good cocktail. But visually, you want red, white, and blue. All together now, let's see how good it is. Yeah, you lose your red, white, and blue, but you get a better tasting cocktail. A good tasting cocktail. Anyway, laters.